Hey people, what's up? I'm Fahim and I'm back with new video. I suppose sometimes it happens that you face some problem with your computer and you have to reinstall Windows in order to solve it, but you don't know how to do it. Then this video is for you. Now I'll show you how you can install Windows 10 on your machine. Either you can use an installation disk or a bootable USB to do it. It's totally up to you. And how you can download Windows 10 and make USB drive bootable, well, I have created two short videos for that and the link is in the description. So let's start. The process is quite simple. I'm sure you won't need any help installing Windows after watching this. So this is my device and I'm going to reinstall Windows in this device to show you the process. As you can see, I have two drives here. This is the C drive where the Windows is installed, so I'll be formatting it and then I'll reinstall Windows in this drive. And this is another drive where I have some files, only the important ones. I'll show you why they're important, and of course this installation disk from where I will be installing the Windows. So at first, let's restart the device. And when your device boot up, you see a small interface. From there, press F12 a few times to open the boot menu. In some cases it's different, maybe escape F2, F10 or Del. So the point is that press the right button and open up the boot menu. And from there, select your CD/DVD drive or USB drive depending on which one you are going to use for installation. I'm using an installation disk, and for that I'll be pressing C and press any key to boot up from CD/DVD, and as you can see, the installation process has started. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions. They are not so confusing and I don't think you'll have any problem understanding it. So in here, choose language to install, of course English, time and currency format English, and keyboard and input method select United States International. Then click on next. Now simply just install now. And the process of installation will begin. And in here, about the activation of Windows, that you have to enter a activation code if you have bought it from the Microsoft. But in my case, I do not have any, so I'll just simply press that I don't have a product key and I'll continue. From here, you have to select the operating system that you are going to install in your machine. So in my case, I'll be installing Windows 10 Pro and click next. Of course, I have to accept to the license agreement and next. Now you have two options, upgrade and custom. We are going to install a fresh copy of Windows, so we will be selecting custom, install Windows only option. So here I have two drives, one is 50 GB and another one is 100 GB, and I'm going to use this one for installing Windows. So I have to format this drive at first, so let's format it. And when you're formatting your drives, please be a little careful. I mean, if you select the wrong drive and click on format, then you will lose data, and I don't think you want to do it. So when you're formatting your drive, be careful that you have selected the right drive. So I have formatted it, total size 50 GB, free space almost 50 GB. So this is the drive where I'm going to install Windows. So select it and then click on next. And the process will begin. And this process is gonna take some time, and depending on your machine, it will take 20 to 30 minutes. So I'm just going to fast forward the time. During the installation, your device will restart several times, so you gotta have to be a little patient. As you can see, the Windows is about to restart. Okay, everything is almost done. A few things that needs your attention. For example, here select your region. That's going to be United States. Yes. And from here, what is going to be your keyboard layout? I think that's going to be United States International, and click on yes. Do you want to add second keyboard layout? I do not think I need, so skip. Okay, I do like to set up your account, set up for personal use for sure. Next, and sign in with Microsoft. I don't think that's necessary for me, so offline account. Limited experience is good for me. And who's going to use this PC? So let's give it a name. And next. So in here you can apply a password to your personal computer so that every time you turn it on you'll have to enter your password to log in. But in my case, for simplicity, I'll just keep it as blank. So next. Do more across devices with activity history. So I don't think I need it. No. And get help from your digital assistants. I really don't need any help from Cortana, so decline. And in here, privacy settings, I always like to turn them off. I really do not need anyone tracing me or IDing me, so turning them off is better. But in your case, if you want, you can keep them as yes, that's up to you. But for me, I always do this. Now accept. Okay guys, and there you go. The Windows installation is fully complete and this is your new Windows. But if you see here properties, you'll see Windows is not activated, so we need to activate the Windows. So now let's see that how we can do it. So first of all, you must have to deactivate your Windows Defender system. So open your Windows Defender and then from here go to your virus and threat protection setting, manage setting, and turn off these features. Yes, off, off, and off. All of them are off. Good. So let's go to this PC now and let's install WinRAR. We're going to need this software, so we'll install this on it fast. Okay, so the WinRAR is installed. And now we're going to install this software. So open it and bring out these two files in here. Install it. Okay, so installation is now complete. Now let's run the program. You'll find it in the start menu. Just come down below. Here it is, and run it.
Automatic.
And just simply click on this button here.
Program complete.
Now all you have to do is restart your PC to see the effect. So let's restart it. So now the machine is restarted. Let's see if it is activated or not. There you go, Windows is activated. So everything is done. I try to keep it as simple as possible. I hope it helps, and if it does, then please like the video and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my new videos. Thank you very much for watching my video. See you again in my next video. Goodbye.